Yo, Habibi, welcome in other vlog. You're watching me, the same person, the same village, the same place. And today, what we're gonna do? So I told you, I'm going from the same place, you know. So I am going to market. We're gonna buy vegetable because we make curry. You know, in every day we eat curry and roti at night time. So I'm gonna buy vegetable for curry. I don't know what I'm gonna buy. And the other thing, I'm gonna pay my internet bill. So you know, my internet bill, it is 4,500 every month. So I'm gonna pay that bill as well. And so anyway, I'm on my way, and it will take maybe 3 4 5 minutes. Yeah. So guys, as you know, I'm going to the market to buy a vegetable and to pay my internet bill. So now I'm going with my friend Murid. Maybe you know him. This is Mehran. Yeah, this is Mehran. We are going in to the Mehran to buy vegetable and other things.
وهذه ده بدي مسوم ده
Hey, calling.
آسي
أنا بتهاجي
ويا كده أنا بترى أنا بتشوف
ها
جيت لك يا كريم هذا ما أقول
So guys, you know, we are going to the market to buy vegetable, and I'm going to buy my electricity, my internet bill. Sorry. Actually, I was about to go to the market on my feet. Yeah, on my by my feet. But you know, Murid, he was going to market, and he said, "Bro, let's go together." So that's why I'm going with him. Normally, I go to the market by rickshaw and by my feet. I love to walk. I love so much when I walk around these roads. You can watch. And we have another friend. His name is Anis. So first of all, we will buy vegetable. After that, I will pay my internet bill. Murid, दूसरा क्या करना है मेरा?
मैं ring light buy the ring light.
He is going to buy a ring light and a stand for the. He is going to buy a ring light and a stand for his TikTok live. And why you going, bro?
I am going to visit market.
He just going with us without any reason because he's our friend as well. So let's go. There we go, guys.
अल्लाह तो मेरी लाइफ करने चलती यार खर्चे तो करवाई पे बाप करो भाई चले पे करो
जवान बड़ा
अच्छा रात कितनी गिफ्ट लगी था को बेचा 100
₹150
ओए खरीदन को क्या है बाइंग
ओए चुप कर ब्लॉग पड़ता पैसा ना गाइस यू कैन वॉच हां rock It is another Mehran. We have red Mehran. This is white Mehran. We are sitting into a red Mehran. That was a white Mehran. Guys, I hope you like my village road, my city road, whatever you want to say. So there we go. साथ है
और कितना जीरो प्रादा करे
so guys कितना बनना है पहले रिंग लाइट तो बनना है सब्जी तो बनने नहीं
मैंने रिंग लाइट की जवाब से सब्जी कितने में लिखते हैं
वाली इंटरनेट तो पहले ही मैं डेढ़ घंटा उठा हुआ ज्यादा नहीं पार्ट कर so guys you can watch finally we reach at the main road market. It is the our city tower. We say this choke so it is the choke. Yeah, you can watch. This is the our choke. And now we are going to buy ring light and a stand. First of all, his vlogging. After that, we will pay our internet bill. After that, I will buy some vegetable. Then we will go back to our home. So there we go. Here we're gonna park our car.
मार्केट ही कैसे
Guys, do you know what is this? This is raining water. So there is no system to exists that water. There is no one, so it is raining water. There we go. So he parked the car. So guys, we reach at the market and now we are going to buy a ring light stand You can watch. This is also a mobile phone shop, and there is not. So I don't know.
Go.
Let us try. And there is a ring light stand, but it is little. We want to buy a big one. It is a small. Assalamu alaikum. Ring light चाहिए बड़ा वाला size है. So guys, they have this one. They don't have the larger size, but we need a large. So we are not going to buy this one. But I will ask the price. कितने का ये? So it cost 1800 Pakistani currency rupees. Let's go. Guys, I was about to go to the next stop, but the uncle, he asked me to stay because he said he will ask someone to bring a bigger ring light. So we are waiting, and he is calling someone. You can watch. So as soon as possible, we will see the big ring light if it is good. You know, sometimes we need to check things before we buy. This one is small, and I tell you one more thing. It is not multi, it is single. You know what is mean by single? This side is shiny and this side is just black, no shine. So I asked him to bring a big ring light, and it should be multi, both sides should be shiny. So he's calling someone, and we are waiting for the big ring light. Yeah, it is a mobile shop. नहीं है. So he called someone, and he said that नहीं ये नहीं लेनी. He said we can buy this for 1650, but we don't want to buy this one. We want to buy a big ring light. So let's see if we find. नीचे आजा, नीचे थी. So we are going to these shops. इधर से यार मैं लेके गया था. You know, I buy my ring light from this shop, so maybe I hope we will find it. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. बड़ी रिंग लाइट चाहिए. दिखाना, स्टैंड भी उसके साथ. So this person said they have big ring light because I buy my ring light from this shop, and maybe you know I have 2 ring lights. When I go on live, I have 2 ring lights. So this one is big one. So no, it is not multi. We need a multi. No. नहीं यार. The both sides should be shiny. दोनों side white हो. So he thinks multi means more colors. No, multi means the both sides should be shiny because I have multi ring light. You know, guys. So there we go. He don't have multi. No, वो इफेक्ट तो हर एक में multi होता है. Guys, there's a problem. They don't have multi ring light now, but I want to tell you, when I buy, it was multi, and you can watch small ring light, big ring light, and more bigger ring light. So this one is multi, but you can watch how much it is small. Very small. It is not big one. So I don't think so it is good, but I have an option. We're gonna go around in the whole market. If we buy the big one, if we find big one, we will buy that. Otherwise we're gonna buy this one because it is good. Yeah, so let's see, go to the next. Guys, we are still going, and it is very difficult to find the big ring light in multi. You know, we have ring lights, but they are not multi side. They have only one side shiny and the other side is black, so it is difficult, but we are still trying to find the best ring light, and it is difficult. So we are still going, and I hope maybe we find it, but it is difficult. So there we go. This is the Man Mobiles market, you know. There we go, guys. So guys, we are going back from this market because we didn't find the big ring light. And the other thing is that if we find the big ring light, it is not multi. And I tell you one more thing. I was lucky when I found it, that one. And my friend, he is not lucky. Murid is not lucky because he is going to buy the big ring light, but it is not multi. It is only one-sided light. So there we go. And you can watch. There are all our shops are mixed. Like upper side, there are some pipe shop, and other one is electric shop, hardware and other things. So we are back to this shop and we are going to buy big ring light, but it is only one sided, no multi. So there we go. And it's a so there we go, and we are going to buy 1, 2, 3, 4 bulbs. We are going to buy the big ring light. यार वो दिखाना बड़ी वाली, सबसे जो बड़ी है.
वो छोटी.
You can watch it. It's a little mobile shop, but they have a lot of material. It is a little mobile shop, but they have a lot of materials. Yeah. So there we go.
Let's take a reason.
These are new mobiles. Vivo. You can watch. ये कितना इसको वो है? कितना इंच है?
ਇਹਦਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲਾਈਟ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਕੀਤੀ
आईफोन की देखना अच्छा की
Guys, he buy an iPhone, he buy a ring light,
iPhone ਦੇ ਮੈਂ
then now he is starting to go on TikTok live.
रेट लगाने जा कहना रेट इसे चंगा होया.
We can put 3 mobiles on it, you know. It is multifunction. 1, 2, 3 mobiles we can put on it.
ड्राइव मोबाइल कितने लगते हैं?
वो देख लगन दे ऑप्शन आए खड़े ना लग रहा. And we are going to buy a ring light stand, and we are going to buy a ring light. And what is the next option? I don't know. If we will buy some more. So there we go. हाँ?
ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਸੌਂਗ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਬਾਲਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਬੁਖਾਰਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ?
वो मेरे को कोयटा तो आया नहीं तो थोड़ी किताब.
ਨਾ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਤੇ ਲਗਾ ਲਓ.
नहीं वो पूफर है उन्हें मोबाइल ला कर दो. You know, he is not owner, so he is calling owner to confirm what is the rate of this ring light. He is calling to the owner to confirm what is the rate of this ring light. So there we go. Guys, he asked for 3,500. We said 3,000, and he's saying the final rate is 3,100. And I'm asking to concession. I'm asking that please less the rate of the ring light. And I tell you, the ring light and this fan, the both things, final price he's saying. So, but वो multi है ना यार, ये भी तो देख.
यार साफ करी.
So guys, you can watch 1, 2, 3. यार ये रंग ही तरह आंदे पन सतरंगी भी कहने हैं उस्ताद जी. Guys, it has only 3 ranks, you know. I have a ring light which turns into 7 colors. It has only 3 colors, and they are saying it is expensive than that. I'm surprised how it is possible. So
इन्हें मल्टी कहने वाला है.
उस्ताद जी होने 100 रुपए ते छोड़ना. होने ते छोड़ो. देख नो इतना करें दे पे. हाँ?
ये ना तो सारा.
हाँ. So congratulations, the deal is done, guys. We finally buy this ring light and the stand in 3,000. बस ठीक है वे. हाँ. Yes, this is the ring light stand. There we go. All right.
उन्हें को आगना बैकरी देना मुझे
3,000.
3,000 डील कर दी.
हाँ डील 3,000 से कम था ये.
बेटा आप मुझे दो.
So guys, I tell you one more thing. This shop name is Kashi Mobile Shop है ना ये? Kashi Mobile Shop, and thanks. He concession us 500. He less 500 rupees for this ring light. So anything about TikTok Live, if you want to buy mic, anything in Chowk Sarwashid, please visit this shop. And he is very hospitable. Yeah, there we go. So
डब्बा
हाँ
टैग
देख क्या करना है चलो. So now, so our first mission is completed. first target is done. Yeah, first target is done. Now we are going to move the next one. He is another front, and we find it him. Huh?
कार गन गया कोई सारी
Assalamu alaikum. नहीं हो पाई है.
मुगदास रेड मैरान सही जावे
So, ओए गड्डी थई खड़ी रवंडे पहले बेला उतार आने.
किथा
और कोटे दूर होते.
ये को क्या करना है
इको रख दे भावे गड्डी च.
नहीं गड्डी गन क्यों जाए
यार कोटे दूर होते वन्ने UBL बैंक देना आले ना सर.
वो मैं तो पैकेज लवाने मैं लवा के खाना खाऊंगा
Okay, so now we are going to Kotadu Road on other road. He's saying the video is not recording. He don't know. I'm recording the vlog, so I know it is if it is still recording or stop. So I tell you one more thing. Mostly things in Pakistan you can buy good things on the stall. So it is a stall we can buy dates from this stall. We can buy some dates. Yeah, there we go. And now we are going to sit. So guys, now we are going to Kotadu Road. Yeah, and we have to wait for the U-turn. We're gonna take a U-turn, and then we have this is Laya Road. Yeah, and this direction is north. Junube. So this is north side, and we have to go on west side. So we're gonna take a U-turn. After that, let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah. So there we go. There is a lot of bikes.
नहीं भाई फिर कितना बेल है
So 4500 fix हो गए.
हैं
4500 fix हो
45
गए.
का फिक्स है
कितनी बेल लगे भाई
वो सारा मोहल्ला चलाने नाल हम सा या किधर है
यही चलेंगे.
मेरा जले नेट ना होवे मैं वाली नहीं लगी अल्लाह दा भाई पे चलाई बस आपसे
कितना तक सिग्नल आना
सिग्नल आदर मेरे कोठी छत तक
So guys,
लो सिग्नल आदर
लो
we are going.
यानी कि एक सिक्का आंदे उधर कोठी
चलता फेटे
सही उदारा करेंगे ते अगर चले आ वञो एक मिसाल मंगोड़ ने करे को बस दो सिग्नल आदर
नहीं सुना कितने एमबी दी स्पीड है
15 MB. So we buy a ring light. What we want to buy. Now we are going to pay my electricity. Oh, sorry, internet bill. There we go, guys. You can watch. And after that, we will buy the vegetable from a stall, and then we will back. इथे नाल कर गए जिथे मैंने इथे मैं असल एक गली में
कितना
इथे पार्क कर गड्डी इथे करना वो तो गन कैसा है.
तो जाने क्या को छोड़े कर
अच्छा. So there we go. This is Suzuki Swift.
स्विफ्ट
Yeah. This is the tractor. Oya ke dekho. Oh, Ustaji. Yes. So in front of us,
यार हाल फिलहाल काम चलाना ही देते जिले पैसे आगे ना बनाऊं तो बावला
he's saying at this moment we are starting his life on a normal ring light, not at multi. When he earns some money, we will buy another one. So there we go, guys. Once again the U-turn.
तू मेरे आज दी डेट फॉलोअर करा दे 1000 वाल टेंशन का नहीं मैं सवेरे
He said if I gave him 1000 followers, tomorrow he gonna start his TikTok live. So I will ask some. I know someone who buy followers, so I will ask them to buy him 1000 follower, and I will pay for him because he's my friend. So let's see. Hey, it's a gali UBL naal. Oh, pehli gali. Unde vich someone ne. So ये चुनने या
लियो सी यार
नहीं पढ़ लिया नहीं भैया चुनने वो
छोटी गली को सर
So इथे ना के पार कर सकते होने गए थे आगे.
जिला पला या
So guys, now we are going to हाँ
ये मैं देख क्या मर्जी करो
अच्छा तू कितना है? Okay. So guys, there we go. My friend is in the car because he is going to purchase a SIM card internet package, and I'm going to pay my internet fees. So there we go, guys. I show you where the internet is coming from. So I use a Wi-Fi, but that is a cable Wi-Fi, fiber Wi-Fi internet service. So there we go. I'm going. Let's see. So classic cable TV and internet. We have to walk up the stairs. There we go. Actually, I have to pay yesterday, but I am late, and today I'm gonna pay So they don't want to come on camera, and I'm not going to show them. There we go. We are going to buy vegetable. The last one we have to do.
क्या याद करे थे मैंने तो कार देखे ना
हाँ तेरा लेवल जो दिया जी चाची बैठे जा
I am not waiting for the bus because it is late. So now we are going to buy the vegetable.
पूरा बढ़ गया
तबियत बढ़ा दे
ये ना बड़ा वीडियो कर रही है
मगुरा का बोले था कि मैं बोले काहे की फॉलो हो गया
तो मसला बढ़ गया
कौन क्या थी
वो दिखा है तो
Guys, there we go. We was on Kotadu Road, and that is the Multan Road where I live. So now we are going to buy the last thing, our vegetable, and after that we will back.
ये मसला जल्दी जल्दी जाते ना करंट छोड़ दे कटोड़ जाने के
हाय हो
निकल वो सारे को लाइव में
मैं ना ला मारते पर डालना
You can watch little boys driving the back seat is not good. I want them a clip read. There we go. I reach at a vegetable store. They are my neighbors, and I am going to buy okra. I don't know how much it is price, so you can watch the vegetables. And mostly vegetable is on stalls. You will never watch the vegetable in the shop in Pakistan. Wait, in the क्या rate है सब्जी का? हाँ 200 रुपए किलो दे दे. So I'm gonna buy 1 kg okra and some tomato and chili, and then we will back to home. So my friend, he is also doing vlog. Maybe he is kidding. You can watch. It is an other vegetable and onions and let me see if something I find good. It's a racha. And it is another stall of banana. There we go. So this is my friend's car, Mehran, in which he is still sitting here. तो बाहर नहीं आया? Okay. There we go. हाँ. अच्छा. यार जल्दी कर दे रमजान. I asked him to do quick. Because bro, do it quickly. I have to go. निक्का चाहिए पहुंचाने लगता है.
हाँ निक्का नहीं और खतरनाक खिलाड़ी बन गया
Guys, there are some already customers you can watch. हाँ.
वो बैठे हो
Yes, he is dangerous. मैंने बोला ना भिंडी दे भाई. Vegetable okra. I'm gonna buy okra, 1 kg okra, and then we will make the curry. And I told you one more thing. It's also called lady finger, lady finger. I don't know, like something that. And in my language, in Urdu, we call this bhindi. So I'm gonna buy bhindi. Yeah. I got this. Finally, I got this okra, and now we are going back to our home. I asked him, "Oye, kachi khavni pivni hai?" I asked him if he want to eat something because you know I am a YouTuber. And there we go. Until my friends come, I'm just showing you a normal traffic because it is this.
chili and tomato
He bought some chili and tomato. Nice.
very crispy
टेस्टी ना टेस्टी मने टेस्टी गयब्बा
So, there we go. Hey, kele na gin gino khade rasu.
गिनो सही केले
Oh, इधर कर रोकी.
बनाना सब
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. एक दर्जन केले कैसे?
केला 150 रुपए चलती
एक दर्जन दे दे. Now I'm gonna buy 1 dozen banana. अच्छे वाले देना. And we will eat it.
मेरे को भेज दे तू
We're gonna buy 1 dozen banana for 150 rupees. It is little banana. You can watch it guys, but it's okay. Little but it's okay. Oh wait, where is my money? This is 500. Huh? You can take that change. इसको खोलो खाओ पियो ऐश करो.
एक पड़े नहीं थे
मेरा सब तो बड़ा गिफ्ट कर दिया हो इंशाल्लाह
Okay, so never mind. He's saying thanks. You're welcome. आपको शांति. So there we go. We're gonna go next.
इधर सजरी का सजरी
If you're done with the Rex, move on to the next. So I've done with the vegetable and now we are moving to next. Huh?
लेस से मरीज वन
If you're done with your Rex, hey,
बनाना ईटिंग बनाना
chill kid.
हां मैं मेरा
ईटिंग बनाना
I asked him to.
ईटिंग बनाना
What should I say? I asked him to escape.
friend is
the
chilling
thing.
kela
How? It is very little. Guys, what the? Guys, what is this? No! It is a prank with me. Not good. Look, it is like my finger, guys. Very small banana. It's look like my finger. Not good. Okay. It is sweet. Good taste. But why is it so thin?
अल्ली बगल पिलामी कार पिलामी
अरे बाला में
You can watch, huh?
मेरा मौक गए देखा
इधर क्या होते
Okay. So we are putting the peels here, huh?
अरे मैं साढ़े बुद्धि दा
Wait, mande na kado, vloge chava so. So guys, you can watch.
ना मारे मैं खाने
Wait.
सॉरी
भाई उन्हें नहीं पता लग रहा अंग्रेजा
ओ यार पाकिस्तानी दे देन मेरे व्लॉग
अच्छा।
हां नाराज थी वो अंग्रेज पाकिस्तानी उर्दू यहां देते
चपला मेरे बड़े गड्डी
guys and other banana very small banana
मेरा देखो
very small it's okay we buy only 1 dozen not much
but tasty
He said
but banana
tasty.
is very tasty
हाँ
small but taste is very best
मेरा ब्रेस्ट बेस नहीं है
कोई मेरे को बिया चल के दे
मैं
हाँ
मैं वाला
hey guys look what I'm doing चल के दे वे
ओके ब्रदर ओके
so he is doing this for me
क्या पीना उतार
guys once again small banana they are all small banana
no all banana small all banana small
all banana is small
but very tasty
all small banana is small but very tasty huh kota daddy the donkey car kota daddy guys it is a marriage you can watch Sharon Palace
यार और बड़े बन के यार करवा रही है अच्छा बना के जीवन में करता है
सब आता निकाल दी देर तक की वैसे मैं बंदे को कॉल मिले ना पड़ेगी
very thanks
what you say bro
very thanks one
he is grateful to me because I'm gonna give him free 1k followers if you need on TikTok yeah
ये नहीं
no
1k follower he gift
he said I give him 1k followers we don't know how to speak English it is a car showroom and tractor showroom and car you can watch guys it is near to my mama and there we go finally we reach at
हकीकत है मामा मेरा बाप
Our
बड़ा खर्चा किए थे
street and road.
iPhone
yes so there we go and we are near to our home
वो बांध दी निकल आओ
so you know
ये गोदा मैं जान के जीते हूं बोले होता मैं तेरा तेरा चुका लेकर वहां
तो इधर तो क्या फ्रेश अकाउंट क्या मतलब
you know maybe you remember this place I go every day
oh
here.
plana big
oh this one is big banana congratulations bro
और नसीब को क्या दन
his luck is good huh
हां I am very lucky big banana
very lucky
मेरा दिखा
is guys he is very lucky because he got big banana you know what I mean
देख
he is lucky
let's see
he got a big banana but not too much big huh so we ended the 1 dozen bananas and it is ended so I told you he's saying he's very lucky because he got a big banana so he's very lucky insane this person is insane guys so funny la 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 they are too well खड़े की वीडियो को They are my friend, two Vele friend, Vele. Yeah. Finally, we reach at his home. I have to drop out now.
एक और vlog stop कर
Acha. So, there we go. Finally, we reach at his home, and now we are going to my home. Yes. Yes, he is calling me. He have my wait, Dhavasi. He has this okra, and now we are near to our home. I'm going to my home, and I give this vegetable to my family. Same place you can watch her. So no, and he asked me, okay, close the vlog. No, bro, how we close it? I didn't reach at my home. How we close it, huh?
Okay, close you.
I'm not gonna close it. Yeah, he said end the vlog because we reach at our destination. No, a little bit distance is remaining. It's look like this goat is calling me. Ma, 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 ma. Guys, it's look. I speak with him with her. Ba, ba. So that's so funny. It's like I'm speaking with her. No, okay, bye. Stop, please stop. She's still doing mama. And these are chicken. Lucky. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. My neighbor chicken. And there is one on the door. There is another chicken on the top of the door. And now I think so we should end it because he's gonna go to his home. I'm going to my home. So there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna end it now. Have a good one, my lovely family.